Goes a little something like this.
Well, here we're back with another video so that you can share even more stories with people about why they do Juice Plus and what it's done for them in their lives. So enjoy the video. Hi, I'm Candy. I'm from Australia, and the reason I chose Juice Plus is because it made sense to me. It's natural, my body can absorb it, and yeah, I was looking for something that had the edge. My partner and I, we've been taking Juice Plus for 8 months. Life with Juice Plus, it gives me ridiculous amounts of energy. It's brought in amazing people into my life as well through the business. It's clearer skin, and the body just functions a lot better.
Hi, my name's Melanie Dever. I'm from the Central Coast of New South Wales, and Juice Plus has changed my life. After having my 2 children and studying at university, I wasn't bringing an income into the family, and it allowed me to have my own money and provide myself with some experiences and things that I wanted for my life. I've been with Juice Plus for 18 months. I've been able to travel the world. I've travelled to the United States twice. My family have never been healthier. My children have not been sick in the last 18 months we've been taking Juice Plus, and I feel like I'm living the best life I can.
So my name is Kate Golay, and I've been a member of Juice Plus on and off over the last 6 years, but it wasn't until probably 3 months ago that I really decided that the time was right to truly get started in the business side of things. It has just been such an incredible journey, being a part of a family really across the globe and making a massive difference, which is something that I'm truly passionate about. For me, health is just non-negotiable. It's a really important part of my life. When I started taking Juice Plus, probably the biggest thing I noticed was a change in my energy. I have 3 little kids, 2, 4 and 6. And we've running 5 businesses and a massive team, and so life is really full. I know that I should be eating well all the time, having my green smoothies, putting all those good things into my body, but sometimes life gets in the way. So for me, knowing that I'm taking something every day that's flooding my body and my family's body with this incredible nutrition from Whole Foods. It's not synthetic, it's not processed, it's whole foods. It's so simple, yet it's so incredibly powerful. That's just such an incredible reassurance to me, just to know that I'm taking care of my body. My body's getting exactly what it needs, and so are my children. We're getting to work with our friends, having an amazing time, making a massive difference. And we've got people from all walks of life. I mean, I think for me and my husband as well, one of the big reasons of why we wanted to get on board with this is because we just want to join a mission of making a massive difference with as many people as possible. What I love about this family, this team, is that it doesn't matter if someone's directly on your team or sideline, we're all helping each other grow. What I'm seeing now in the team that we have and the opportunities that are becoming available for that, it's just so great to see other people shine. I so encourage you to take a look at this. We're just having so much fun, and we're changing lives around the world, and you can do the same.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm 33. I'm a mum of 3 children. I've been self-employed for the last 7 years. I've just recently joined Juice Plus in the last 7 weeks, and it really changed my health. I've lost 7 kilos in the first 6 weeks since I've started taking Juice Plus. It's got me a lot more focused on my health overall. I'm eating so many more fruits and vegetables, drinking so much more water, and my children are as well. It's great to see them choosing to have salad for themselves when they want to. One of the biggest things that's changed our life straight away is that the income that we've generated already in the first 7 weeks has contributed to us being able to have an au pair to help out with the domestic responsibilities around the house, which has freed me up to have much better quality time with my children and also to build more business. My children choose to snack on fresh mushrooms and carrots by themselves. It blows me away. I need much less sleep than I was having before. I've been a mum of 3. I was often collapsing into bed at 9 o'clock at night and scraping myself out of bed, around 6:30 in the morning. Now I'm up until midnight every night, energized, feeling amazing, and getting up before my alarm. And I just feel fantastic. And the difference with that is the consistency of the energy boost that I have. Before I was really relying on caffeine and sugar to get me through the low energy, and now it's just been this big energy boost that's just maintained. So that's been a really big change health-wise. Look, all I could say is if you're thinking about Juice Plus, I'd ask yourself this question, which I ask myself: why not?
Hey, I'm Sabrina from Australia. I remember when I first got introduced plus the product made sense straight away. Linda introduced me to it, and let's face it, it was a whole food in a capsule, and what's not to understand. I've been on the product for 2 years and said no to the business for a really long time until I got to conference. So I guess the stories, stories from the heart that really inspired me to inspire others now with health, wealth and happiness all around the world. And why do I do Juice Plus? Because I get to do that every single day. It's a true gift to pass on to anyone I meet. And let's face it, we get to party in Vegas with my friends, travel around the world and live my best kick-ass life. Ask yourself, what if you could? Inspire and take that gift to anyone and everyone that you love, inspire health, wealth and happiness all around the world. What if you could?
Hi, I'm Vivica Aldridge. I'm a native of Las Vegas. Juice Plus, I'd probably say it's a lifesaver. My husband had MS and I juiced over $100 worth of fruits and vegetables a week. That wasn't including our dinner. And so he's on no medication. He takes twice as much Juice Plus as I do, and he still is medication free. It's changed our life a lot. I've always been involved with health, but not to this extent. And the friendships that I've made and the travel I'm going to do is just phenomenal. My granddaughter's 5.5, and we're vegan. And I was going to Juice Plus conference. My husband's taking me to the airport, and she's riding with us, and she's just like, Gigi, where are you going? And I said, I'm going to Juice Plus conference. She goes, I want to go. And I said, well, you can't go. Mama's not going this time. She said, but I'm a Juice Plus kid. I am Juice Plus. Next best thing to juicing, Juice Plus. It'll bridge the gap. You are what you eat. Your genes might load the gun, but your lifestyle pulls the trigger. You want freedom? You want to own your own life? You want to be in great health? You have the tools. We're showing them to you. All you got to do is make that choice.
Are you ready? Yeah. Now that work. It goes a little something like this.